Hello, today we are going to talk about the dates, months, and year. So let's start the lesson. एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं। एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं। एक साल, 1 year, 12 महीने, 12 months. So एक साल में 12 महीने होते हैं means there are 12 months in a year. There are 12 months in a year. Instead of mahine, we can also use word mah. माह, एक साल में 12 माह होते हैं। एक साल में 12 माह होते हैं। Means there are 12 months in a year. इन महीनों के नाम हैं, इन महीनों के नाम हैं। The names of the months are, इन महीनों के नाम हैं, the names of the months are January, that is January. January, we say in Urdu January, that is January. Then February, that is February. February, that is February. March is March. March. April is April. April is April. May is May. May is May. June is June. June. July is July. July. August is August. August is August. September is September. September is September. October is October. October is October. November is November. November is November. December is December. December is December. जनवरी में 31 दिन होते हैं। जनवरी में 31 दिन होते हैं। So there are 31 days in January. जनवरी में 31 दिन होते हैं। There are 31 days in January. साल 2019 में 365 दिन थे। साल 2019 में 365 दिन थे। 2019 means 2019. 365, 365. साल 2019 में 365 दिन थे। There were 365 days in year 2019. साल 2019 में 365 दिन थे। There were 365 days in 2019, in the year 2019. फरवरी 2020 में 29 दिन थे। फरवरी 2020 में 29 दिन थे। Means there were 29 days in February 2020. फरवरी 2020 में 29 दिन थे। There were 29 days in February 2020. 2020 means 2020. 29, 29. फरवरी 2020 में 29 दिन थे. There were 29 days in February 2020. We can write the year like this, 2020, like this, as we write in English. And we can also say साल 2020. साल 2020 means, साल means year. So साल 2020 means year 2020. Year 2020. And we can, you are looking at this sign, seen and hay. This is the sign of, this is called sun. Sun. Sun means year. So सन 2020 means year 2020. We can say साल 2020 or सन 2020. And here you are looking a small an, not full an, but half an. After this is an. It means Iswi. So this is 2020 ईस्वी. 2020 ईस्वी. 2020 ईस्वी means 2020 AD. 2020 ईस्वी means 2020 AD. Iswi means related to Christ. Iswi means related to Christ. That is 2020 AD. 2020 Iswi. And here you are looking this sign and this and also. It is read as सन 2020 ईस्वी. सन 2020 ईस्वी. सन 2020 ईस्वी. It is सन 2020 ईस्वी. That is 2020 AD. Year 2020 AD. Now, सिकंदर ने 326 कब्ल मसीह में हिंदुस्तान पर हमला किया था. सिकंदर ने 326 कब्ल मसीह में हिंदुस्तान पर हमला किया था. Means Alexander invaded India in 326 BC. This Qaf meme is abbreviation of Qabl Masih. Qabl Masih. सिकंदर ने 326 कब्ल मसीह में हिंदुस्तान पर हमला किया था. सिकंदर यानी Alexander invaded India in 326 BC. Qabl Masih. Qabl means before. Qabl Masih. Qabl means before. Masih, Christ. Qabl Masih means before Christ. BC is the abbreviation of before Christ. So Qaf Mim is abbreviation of Qabl Masih. So BC, that is Qaf Mim, Qabl Masih. And this is the sign of Hijri. There is a Islamic lunar calendar, and the name of that the year is Hijri. It's called Hijri year. So nowadays it is, according to Islamic lunar calendar, it is 1441 Hijri. 1441 Hijri. So, can you read this? How you will read it? This is sign for Hijri and this is sign for Sun. So, 1441 Hijri. Sun 1441 Hijri. Year 1441 Hijri. Sun 1441 Hijri. That is year 1441 Hijri.